My name is Matt Alderdice and I'm Head of Data Science at Sonrai Analytics. Sonrai is a Queen's University Belfast spin-out. We were founded in 2018 and we're a precision medicine AI cloud technology company. We develop AI products for biotech and pharma so that they can make sense of their data, ultimately to make drug discoveries, get them to patients quicker and improve patient outcomes. We sell into the US market primarily, but we are a global company. We sell to biotech and pharma, but also diagnostics companies. We are exploring new markets. AWS has provided us lots of data regions and we're going to be moving into the Middle East. We're using AWS technologies to automate the detection of cancer, so replacing or augmenting certain roles within precision medicine workflows. We're going to be using AWS to process what we refer to as omic data. So one of the new services, AWS HealthOmics, is something that we're planning to invest heavily with, and we are an early adopter.
Hi, I'm Gerard Loughran. I'm the Head of Engineering at Sonrai Analytics. We are a company that provides data and AI services to pharma and biotech companies. We help companies develop drugs quicker, make new interesting discoveries, and ultimately are fighting against cancer. Our customers have problems such as being able to manage lots of bulky data. They can't sometimes afford to run expensive compute processes, and we provide them a trusted research environment that meets regulatory standards so that they can essentially develop cancer therapeutics or develop new drugs at potentially a fraction of the price, and also to de-risk when they get the clinical trial. With AWS, we're able to apply serverless event-driven architecture that allows us to handle various complicated data types. It allows us to automate really time-expensive processes. It allows, for example, our clients to get to market 6 to 12 months quicker when it comes to algorithm development. And we're doing all of this through integrated AWS services. Sonrai is currently engaged in primarily in the United States, Europe, UK and Ireland. We've also got opportunities in the Middle East and in Asia, but also in terms of new opportunities, we're pushing into new fields within our domain, such as using HealthOmics to generate bulk data and looking at foundational models for imaging. So we're expanding what we deliver to our current customers as well. We have access to a great AWS support team. We get regular access to training. We get beta access to new programs, for example, HealthOmics. This allows us to kind of get a competitive edge and to learn new technologies, and then we ultimately put that back into our client solutions. The biggest focus for us currently is dealing with processed data, which is very bulky, very difficult. We've been working with AWS to make this potentially go from costing $2,000 a run to $22, which could be the difference between being able to develop a drug or not. And we're also pushing heavily into the imaging space with our own foundation model, which will allow us to develop brand new cancer diagnostics. Sonrai's made massive strides last year with regards to developing brand new cutting edge tools for biotech and pharma. And this year we're hoping to massively extend that growth by pushing into new regions and new domains. And we've also recently made massive cost optimization approaches that we think will make massive scalability improvements across healthcare.